Hi people, welcome to another episode of Pigeon Vibes Yarnings. Today, based on as they go, my yarnings carry me go the Barcelona renovated Nou Camp Stadium. Yesterday, Barcelona opened the doors of their new Camp Stadium. That stadium whole history don grace many lot of the best footballers for this world. Over the years, most of the best footballers for the world don't hit hand for their chest say this one at my house. So the likes of Messi, Ronaldo, the Deco, the Puyo, the Pique, those days they don't hit their hand for their chest say this one at my house. And so far they don't disappoint. They don't disappoint at all. So based on as when Madrid don't do renovation for their stadium, Barcelona go carry their chest come and say no, we no fit slack behind now. No be only Real Madrid do, the two Madrid teams do renovation. Atletico Madrid do. If you see Atletico Madrid stadium, wonderful stadium. So now Barcelona can say no, they no fit leave us behind we need to still do our own. But this one, e no be like Atletico Madrid main building stadium. Barcelona renovate their Nou Camp Stadium. This renovation, they come open the doors yesterday come play their first official match for the renovated stadium as Barcelona take on Atletico Bilbao for their La Liga game yesterday wey Barcelona win 4-1. Dat match see say Ferran score hat-trick, Lewandowski score one. Normal na Barcelona of these days they must concede goal based on say their defense I no understand e be like express wey be say road block no dey they must concede. Barcelona no know wetin they call clean sheet. So far so good, they win the match 4-1. And e dey get me the reason say say those days the people do renovation they talk say they go get time to dey adjust, but Barcelona no adjust to the trash Atletico Bilbao 4-1. So far so good nobody know how e go be in terms of the league title. Real Madrid still dey there, Barcelona still dey there, Atletico Madrid still dey pursue them. Make we see at the end of the day whether this their renovated Nou Camp go be blessing or go be curse at the end of the day my people una do.